Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to manage for the plan to Inshot on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Inshot, and if you want to log in you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. So here I'm going to tap on allow first. And here you have to manage for the plan and payment, I guess, which is a month or a year. And here you can see here at the bottom, which means you get a 3 days free trial, I guess. And if you wanna use for the 3 days free trial, you just have to tap on the toggle beside it like this. And now I'm gonna use for a month, I guess. Tap on continue. Now tap on this subscribe. After, you just have to type and fill your Apple account password. Now tap on this sign in. And here we have to wait for a second. And now when it's turned to this page again, which means you have already logged into Inshot, guys. So I think it's enough for me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.